that dark aura, nigga. Yeah, check it out. Yeah. Lifestyles of the rich and famous, custom fitted suits, tailored waistband, tucked and stainless. Gotta move swift and dangerous. They gon' have to lift them wages. You ain't talking money, you must be talking a different language. Independent mindset. We ain't fucking with the majors, can't get back our time spent. Gotta treat it like a sacred house on a couple acres. Ain't no love for the fakers. 3-car garage in the driveway, so spacious. Perfect place to park the spaceship. Sky views panoramic, laid back in the Maybach. I know they can't stand it. Got me thinking about way back by times we couldn't manage. Now we ballin', running plays back, home court advantage. They watch but can't understand it. They rolling timing off. I'm clocked in 24/7 but never signing off. Can't be boxed in, not him, forever shining on. All y'all, I've been locked in. I'm in my gold yard bag, nigga. I'm that nigga. I thought I told y'all I'm back, nigga. These rap niggas know they can't. Oh, they can't. Hey yo, look. Please don't push me, I'm too close to the edge. Gotta know the ledge. Knowledge is power, that's what my OG said. Get your bread, don't be misled. You know these streets is dead. Gotta stay a few steps ahead. Keep the family fed. Life is hard, hold your head. Never let them see you sweat. Every loss is a lesson, that's the secret.
First run in some fresh shoes, always exciting. All my other shoes have been kind of a bit thinner, so I'm keen to see how these go with so much foam. That fresh smell. It's like some dirty foot in there.
Thank you and enjoy the show. Healthy protein tiramisu. Nice.
If I talk real slowly, if I try real hard to make my point here, that you have my heart, here I go. I'll tell you what you already know.
We went and saw Housemaid this afternoon. Incredible movie. Best movie we've seen in a very long time.
Yeah.
Wanted to show you guys my outfit.
For the movies. This morning I ended up sending out a bunch of emails to clients that we inquired for some stuff in last year, so just kind of like touching base with them. And then I also went over, we've been connecting with a few companies that is like a third-party listing company for the studio. So just going over all the applications that I sent off to them and the inquiries we had. And then we are working on something pretty cool, but we can't say right now because we're trying to keep it as a secret. But I did some research on that.
Love it.
What about you?
I started with prepping our photo day for tomorrow, and I think I put down 12 different ideas. So hopefully we can get through all of that. We've got 4.5 hours in the studio. So I think what I've written down, they're all short form videos or photos, and I definitely think we can do it.
Yeah.
And now that I've got a plan, more likely to get it done in time.
Easier to execute.
Yeah. And I also wrote down like all the props and outfits and stuff we need to bring, so there shouldn't be anything forgotten.
We've been trying to break down our shoots a bit more, so then on the shoot days it doesn't feel so chaotic.
And then I worked on some pitching, and I think I pitched 12 different brands, and that always feels a bit nerve-wracking. I get really nervous before I send off a pitch, but I'm like, you may as well ask. You never know. Like some of the collaborations we've gotten, it's just because we asked.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
Sent off some pitches, which will be really exciting when we hit a yes. Both of us have worked so many different jobs in our lives, and you know, tried our own things as well. And I was just thinking, I'm so grateful because we're actually in a position where even though there's so much ahead of us, we are not doing anything that we don't want to do anymore. And yeah, there's been like so many shitty jobs, and there's been times where it hasn't been a shitty job, but you've just had to tolerate a certain personality in the office or something. And now it's like, no, like I'm working with someone I love and I'm doing only things that I really enjoy, which so grateful to be able to say that.
Definitely.
There's dancing behind movie scenes, behind the movie scenes. Sadirani, she's the one that keeps the dream alive, from the morning past the evening to the end of the life. Brimful of Asher on the 45, well it's a brimful of Asher on the 45. Brimful of Asher on the 45, well it's a brimful of Asher on the 45.
On the way to the coast, and a slight hiccup. We're actually selling a car this afternoon after our content session, and we forgot our papers for the car. So, take two.
We don't care about no government warning about that promotion.
We've got about 12 different videos we're trying to make from different outfits, different layouts, stuff for the website, stuff for ads, stuff for Instagram. So, but yeah, we found that writing it out, just spent like all yesterday kind of mapping out every single 12 videos that we're going to make and kind of like saving things and videos and props and whatever else. So now we're just executing them.
I'm like, do I follow my original plan? Which I actually should.
Why? What do you want to change?
Every time. I'm like, do I do that one first or that one first? I'm like, there's a reason that I put in this order yesterday. So trust yourself.
They say I'm crazy, the way you got me open, baby. They say I'm
This is Michael and he's in his acting element. Workplace fame.
They all sit and wonder why these feelings I cannot.
Pulled up at a new place in Kangaroo Point, and it's a new pizzeria called Manhattan Lane. Let's see how it is.